Today we're bringing down the Morant 1 basketball shoes. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamster's Kicks. We got the newest Morant 1 basketball shoes in today. We're breaking these bad boys down. I literally just saw Morant drop like 45 points, like almost a triple-double. Like he had like 30 points in a row in the fourth quarter, whatever. This guy's crazy. And I was finally excited Nike got a new kind of new basketball player, new athlete onto their basketball line, and so we got the Morant 1s today. These bad boys have been really anticipated. We had like the, it was like a special kind of like Tiffany, like, or Swarovski, like crystal colorway come out during NBA All-Star Weekend, but we haven't seen many other colorways. This is really like the first one to come out that we've had, and I'm super excited for them today. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, leave a like for your boy, and let's go. So this colorway is the Day 1 colorway. These bad boys retail at $110, and like I said, I've been super excited for a new like Nike signature athlete ever since Nike cut ties with Kyrie Irving. They've announced Jason Tatum just had his signature shoe. I just did that video. We had the Morant 1s, of course. Devin Booker's getting his own shoe coming out. I believe it's holiday 2023, so it should be the end of this year. That's going to be a sick shoe as well. Some similar like Kyrie, Kobe vibes on a lot of the newer shoes, I feel like. So got a little bit there with the Day 1 jaws here. We're going to break them down. Traction pattern is sturdy, and its grooves and rubber are supposed to be super durable. So the traction patterns, basically you're supposed to be able to hoop like anywhere with these. Like Nike and Morant wanted to make like the shoes so like everyone could really wear them anywhere, in-store, outdoor, casual wear, stuff like that. So that's what that outsole is, and it gives me some big, I got the shoe here, it gives me Kyrie 1 vibes heavy with like the outsole and like the like kind of thinner like grooves and the durability. Like it's, to me, like these two patterns are super similar, so that's the vibe I feel on them. Upper's a little different on them, but as far as like the outsole, it is super durable. Like I said, it was squeaking pretty good on the court. Dirt or dust collection, stuff like that, wasn't super heavy on them as well, so it was pretty good while playing in them. The cushion is a Zoom Air unit in the forefoot along with that Air Zoom bag. So you have the IP foam unit that is in here. It feels super nice. It definitely is a little stiff at first. Just off first play, like I didn't feel like it was super bouncy or cushiony. It did feel like nice and like responsive to how your foot moves, like side to side, stuff like that. That combines with the lateral like guardrails, medial guardrails, stuff like that. And then you have that Air Zoom unit bag. A lot of people love that. I love playing in that. It's a pretty like staple piece of like a Nike basketball shoe, so nothing like crazy there. But I do love that there. The cushion does feel good. Like I said, breaking them in will be pretty easy too. And I mean, $110 for that retail price. I didn't expect anything crazy like how the LeBron 20s got like 5 different aspects to the cushioning system. But it's just like a pretty basic, nice shoe that like you can hoop in anywhere. You don't have to worry too much about like breaking like any parts of it. It's just kind of like one sustainable unit that like works together and plays pretty good. Materials are lightweight and durable, and they're giving Kyrie 1 shoes for sure. I mean, like I showed with the Kyrie 1s, they are giving heavy Kyrie 1 vibes on them. And I mean, cutting Kyrie's line out of Nike basketball and now bringing up a new explosive, trendy point guard, like it kind of makes sense. But as far as like material aspects on them, I do like the feel to them. I love this like mesh with some kind of different like hits along here. You have like synthetic here with that swoosh that also gives like, there's that other basketball shoe, the Air Deldons. That Nike swoosh is kind of similar, and this is actually, the swoosh here was supposed to be made to like carry them into the gym. Like, you know how people like carry them like that, whatever, but you like can't fit your fingers in there. So that was just kind of like a design aspect, I feel like, of the shoe. Nothing like for actual use of it. As far as like keeping you locked into the shoe, that's like supposed to be a purpose, but this thing's just like a flimsy piece of plastic. So nothing crazy there, but it does feel lightweight, durable, breathable all across the upper, and the fit is pretty good as well. Talking about that fit, they are 100% true to size. They are like kind of wider, like top down view of them. They're like a definitely like wider based shoe, but they don't fit super wide. And because I have a wide foot, but you can't really like tell as much. So with that, definitely go true to size. I went true to size. They fit perfect. They play great. Laces were good. Tongue felt good. Nothing constricting anywhere, so the fit was pretty good on them. So with the support, you can definitely tell that Nike and Ja work to make something that fits how he likes to play, how he likes to like move, and jump and cut and stuff like that, and that really is shown here with this like lockdown system. You can see it almost kind of goes over without a strap covering that midfoot section. That's definitely like taking off. So you can tell Ja Morant heavy wanted something with some good support, but also low top, because he loves to hoop in lows. He's had like some injuries in this past, and he's so explosive that he wanted to like keep it all together with a good support system. So definitely I'd recommend this for guards, bigs, stuff like that. They're pretty nice shoe. They have good support all across the shoe, and I really like how they play. Traction, we're giving it an 8 out of 10, as well as the cushion, an 8 out of 10. It's just a kind of a basic unit, nothing crazy, but for 110, they're playing pretty nice, and like I said, heavy Kyrie 1 vibes, and they play super good, so I did actually really like the traction and cushion, just not anything super like new or like out there, so they're still good. Materials, we're also giving that an 8 out of 10. I did like how breathable they were. I thought they felt really good on the foot. The tongue's not too big. Keeps you nice and like supported as well throughout the shoe. Not a lot of dead space either, so pretty solid job there. And then the fit as well, 9 out of 10. Actually, I did love the fit on them. I thought they played really good. Again, they weren't constricting, no dead space in a lot of areas, and the tongue was nice and breathable as well, which sometimes it can constrict you in places, but with these low tops, the tongue was really good. And finally, the support, 8 out of 10. It was super good for a low top. I mean, you can't get much better on most low top basketball shoes. So overall, my Ja 1, first impressions off the bat, I haven't hooped in them too much, but like first impressions, pretty solid for 110, definitely worth a cop. The materials are durable, definitely gonna be a reliable shoe to like beat up, wear outdoor, indoor, hooping like every day. So let me know what you guys think about the Ja 1s. Hopefully get some more colorways in soon, but leave a like, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.